Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to reset Venmo password or recover the username. First of all, open Venmo app, then click on forgot password. After that, enter your email, username or phone number. Once you enter your phone number, email or username, send it. After that, check your email, Gmail app if you have entered your Gmail, or check your SMS or your WhatsApp if you have entered your phone number. The code will be somewhere there. Use the link to reset it or enter the pin that was sent to you to reset the account. Next, choose a new password and make sure to upload your new password, not the old one, and make sure that your password that you are typing in is a hard password so nobody has access to your data. Then log in again. Safety tip: do not reuse your old password. Quick fix: try your browser. If the app does not show reset options, search in Safari Venmo.com and then try the browser if the app does not show reset options. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.